Hello, in this video, we will talk about missing numbers and solve some problems related to them. So what are the missing numbers? Missing numbers are the numbers that got missed in the given series of numbers with similar differences among them. For example, 2, 4, 6, 10. In this example, 5 numbers are given and one of them is missing. We must use the other 4 numbers to find the missing number. Here, we know 2, 4, and 6. These are all even numbers, hence the given blank should be filled with an even number itself, hence the answer should be 8. Some of the important points to keep in mind while solving problems with missing numbers include: remember all the squares from 0 to 30. The given table shows the square numbers from 0 to 30. Memorize all the cubes from 0 to 10. Cube numbers from 0 to 10 are given in the table here. Let's solve some problems. In the following question, select the number which can be placed at the sign of question mark from the given alternatives. There are 3 matrices given in the question. We need to find the missing number in the third matrix. Let's look at the logic in matrix 1. 5 is multiplied by 6, which is equal to 30, and 3 is subtracted from 30, which is equal to 27. Similarly, in matrix 2, 4 is multiplied by 4, which is equal to 16, and 5 is subtracted from 16, which is equal to 11. Similarly, in matrix 3, 8 is multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24, and 2 is subtracted from 24, which is equal to 22. Hence, option D is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. In this question, we need to find out how the problem can be solved. Let's see matrix 1. 2 is subtracted from 14, which is equal to 12, and 5 is subtracted from 9, which is equal to 4. Inside matrix 2, 7 is subtracted from 19, which is equal to 12, and 10 is subtracted from 14, which is equal to 4. Likewise, in matrix 3, 8 is subtracted from 20, which is equal to 12, and 11 is subtracted from 15, which is equal to 4. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. Let's see what logic is used in this problem. We can see in matrix 1 that 13 is multiplied by 8, which is equal to 104, and 59 is added to 45, which is equal to 104. Inside matrix 2, 11 is multiplied by 6, which is equal to 66. 29 is added to 37, which is equal to 66. Similarly, in matrix 3, 81 is obtained by multiplying 9 by 9, and 81 is obtained by adding 61 to 20. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. In the following question, a matrix of certain numbers is given. These characters follow a certain trend, row-wise or column-wise. Determine this trend and select the missing number accordingly. In the first sets of columns, 33 is obtained by multiplying 11 by 3, and 5 is subtracted from 33, which is equal to 28. In the third set of columns, 72 is obtained by multiplying 8 by 9, and 10 is subtracted from 72, which is equal to 62. Similarly, in the second set of columns, 25 is obtained by multiplying 5 by 5, and 5 is subtracted from 25, which is equal to 20. Hence, option A is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. Select the missing number from the below options. In this matrix, the pattern followed in each column is: 11 is subtracted from 16 to get 5 and the square of 5, which is 25. On the second set of columns, 17 is subtracted from 23 to get 6 and the square of 6, which is 36. Similarly, on third set of column, 8 is subtracted from 11 to get 3, and the square of 3 is 9. Hence, option B is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. Find the missing number from the below. From the first set of columns in this matrix, we can solve. 8 is divided by 2 squares, which is 8 divided by 4 to get 2. In the third set of columns, 100 is divided by 5 squares, which is 100 divided by 25 to get 4. Similarly, on the second set of columns, 80 is divided by 4 squares, which is 80 divided by 16 to get 5. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Find the missing numbers from options given below. From the first set of columns in this matrix, we can solve. The addition of 4 and 16 is equal to 20. Similarly, in the second set of columns, the addition of 9 and 81 is equal to 90. Resemblance in the third set of columns, the addition of 12 and 144 is 156. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Select the number that can replace the question mark. In this matrix, 7 is multiplied by 7 to get 49, and 7 is subtracted from 49, which is equal to 42. Similarly, in the third row, 5 is multiplied by 3 to get 15, and 3 is subtracted from 15, which is equal to 12. Likewise, in the second row, 8 is multiplied by 9 to get 72, and 9 is subtracted from 72, which is equal to 63. Hence, option D is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. One block in this matrix is left blank. We must fill it with a suitable number. In the first row, 4 is multiplied by 8 to get 36, and 4 is subtracted from 36, which is equal to 32. Likewise, in the second row, 9 is multiplied by 9 to get 81, and 9 is subtracted from 81, which is equal to 72. Similarly, in row 3, 10 is multiplied by 8 to get 80, and 10 is subtracted from 80, which is equal to 70. Hence, option C is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Select the number that can replace the question mark in it. This problem is similar to the previous one. In the first row, 8 is multiplied by 8 to get 64, and 1 is subtracted from 64, which is equal to 63. In the second row, 8 is multiplied by 5 to get 40, and 0 is subtracted from 40, which is equal to 40. Similarly, in row 3, 12 is multiplied by 6 to get 72, and 3 is subtracted from 72, which is equal to 69. Hence, option B is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. In the following question, select the number which can be placed at the sign of question mark from the given alternatives. In this matrix, from the first set of columns, we can write as follows. 20 is obtained by adding 5, 10, and 5, and 20 is multiplied by 2, which is equal to 40. Similarly, in the second set of columns, 24 is obtained by adding 8, 4, and 12, and 24 is multiplied by 2, which is equal to 48. Similarly, in the third set of columns, 26 is obtained by adding 15, 9, and 2, and 26 is multiplied by 2, which is equal to 52. Hence, option D is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark in it. In this matrix, in the first row, 11 cubes, which is 1331, are added to 2 to get 1333. Likewise, in the second row, 9 cubes, which is 729, are added to 2 to get 731. Similarity in the fourth row, 13 cubes, which is 2197, are added to 2 to get 2199. Similarly, in the third row, 6 cubes, which is 216, are added to 2 to get 218. Hence, option A is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Find the missing number from the options below. In the first row, the addition of 19, 6, and 4 is done to get 29. Likewise, in the third row, the addition of 15, 9, and 5 is done to get 29. Similarly, in the second row, the addition of 11, 8, and 10 is done to get 29. Hence, option D is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Find the missing number from the options below. In the first set of columns, the addition of 12 and 13 is done to get 25, and 5 is subtracted from that to get 20. Likewise, in the third set of columns, the addition of 15 and 18 is done to get 33, and 5 is subtracted from that to get 28. Similarly, in the second set of columns, the addition of 24 and 25 is done to get 49, and 5 is subtracted from that to get 44. Hence, option A is the right answer. Let's proceed to the next question. Find the missing number from the options given below. In this matrix, 2 squares are multiplied by 5, which is 4 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 20. Likewise, in the second set of columns, 3 squares are multiplied by 4, which is 9 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 36. Similarly, in the third set of columns, 5 squares are multiplied by 8, which is 25 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 200. Hence, option D is the right answer. I hope you have understood how to solve the problems with the missing numbers. If you have any questions, please mention them in your comment.